The Prime Minister is calling on young Australians to book vaccination appointments for their elderly parents as the COVID crisis worsens in southwest Sydney. Under a new plan, the area could be placed into a harder lockdown, while restrictions in less affected areas would be relaxed. A record 85,000 tests has produced the outbreak's highest number of daily cases.
Despite the tightest restrictions Greater Sydney has seen, the situation continues to worsen. 124 new COVID cases, just 37 in isolation for their full infectious period.
I can't underscore what a serious situation we're in at the moment. It is not a good statistic. That tells us case numbers will continue to go up in the next few days.
Restrictions don't seem to be working. Many transmissions taking place at essential shops and workplaces, but some still think they're above the law.
Unfortunately, when our health experts are interviewing families within households, we're learning that they have visited families in other households and the disease is spreading through that way.
At both a state and federal level, vaccinations are in sharp focus. Authorities pleading with Australians to roll up their sleeve.
But the risk that is there means that it is vital, absolutely vital. And I implore not just those themselves who are over 60 to go and do this. Have the conversation in your family. Talk to your parents. Talk to your relatives.
While anti-vax rates are low across the board, vaccine hesitancy for AstraZeneca is high, particularly in older Australians.
There's been a lot of bad sort of publicity in the media, so initially I think it sort of turned me off. But I think under the circumstances now, if I had to, I think I would have it done, yes.
If we don't have a choice, we can get AstraZeneca. But if we have a choice, we can better if we get Pfizer.
I would have got it. I think the risk is always there, but it's, what is it, 1 in a million, 2 in a million? So like any procedure, it's going to carry some risk, but I think in this case it's going to be, you know.
I think people should decide themselves. Yeah.
Here at Sydney Olympic Park on Tuesday, there were 9,000 jabs administered. Just 50 were AstraZeneca. Tougher restrictions were brought in at the weekend. The Premier said numbers should improve in 5 to 7 days, but they continue to rise. A July 30 end to lockdown almost impossible. Charlotte Mortlock, Sky News Sydney.